Deputy Chief Minister in charge Power, Preston Tinsong on Friday said that the financial position of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited (MEECL) is very grim. When asked about the demand for regularizing the services of the casual workers of the MEECL, who had recently staged a protest on the matter, Tinsong said that he understands very well their pain, as some of the casual workers have been serving not less than 15 to 18 years, but the financial position of the MEECL is very grim. He, however, said the MEECL is also not in a financial position to fill up more than 1,000 plus sanctioned posts, which include that of junior engineers, assistant engineers, executive engineers, etc.
To fill up even these posts immediately, but we are working out only those. I understand their pain, no doubt of it, because some casual, they have been there working for not less than 15 years, some of them 18 years, some of them 10 years. I mean, most of them 10 plus. Okay, I understand the pain. But at the same time, let me just tell you, not less than 1,000 plus, even the sanctioned post.
Amidst the simmering dissidents within the state BJP,